it's Köökarinkuja. Köökagranden one staircase. This is the first staircase in this. Since you're putting it here in Laajasalo, Helsinki has a force also one in Finland. There are 5 staircases here, but only the staircase D is left to be filmed later because the code is impossible.
Yeah.
It was built in 1971 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 50 years old in 2021, but probably in the beginning of 1971 and summer 1971 they were built here. The December SV 2386 is going to be inspected this year in 2022. Capacity is 4 persons of 320 grams and it serves 2 rides. And I think the lamp, or at least the lampshade, is the original.
Yeah.
One. It's not. It has been changed in some of these.
These bike inspected, maintained by Schindler.
Near Laajasalo, there are still 24 elevators left to be filmed later and as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Again, we'll get to the staircase as soon as possible.
That's